Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Idiyappam. For that I have taken 2 cups of rice flour. The Idiyappam maker. It has got 3 plates like this. This is a small one, medium one and slightly bigger one. I am taking the medium one. Now we'll apply oil in this and keep it ready. In the water, I have taken 2 cups of rice flour and 2 cups of water. I've added 2 tablespoons of oil in it and salt also, 1 teaspoon of salt in this. Let this come to a boil, then we will add this hot water into the rice flour and mix it with rice flour and cover and keep it for 10 minutes. Afterwards we have to knead it well, then put it in the idiyappam maker and make idiyappam and steam it. Previously what we used to do is we used to grind the rice, then cook it, make balls out of it, steam it, then put it in the idiyappam maker. That was a tedious process. My mother-in-law used to do very sincerely, and that is really yummy. And we used to use boiled rice for that. So that was really yummy, and she used to prepare Morukoottan, that is curd-based curry, and fry papad or appalam, and have it with that. My children likes it with stew, potato stew, that is made in coconut milk. You can serve this along with milk and sugar also. Adding the water, you have to be little careful because some rice flour absorbs water, some doesn't. So a trial and error method you have to use. First you add 3/4 of the water and see. Then if it is required, you can add the remaining water. In case if the water is less, you can always sprinkle little hot water and knead the dough. But if it is more, then it will become sticky. So you have to be little careful while adding the water. In a kadai, keep water and place the idli stand covered with the cloth. Keep it ready. When you need the dough, that time you can switch on the gas and keep the water boiled. The water is boiled. Now I will switch off the gas. I will add the water in the rice flour. So I have added only 3/4 of water. I will mix this and see whether it is required or not. Little more water is required. Mix it. I will cover this and keep it for 10 minutes. I have little water is kept. If it is required, I will add. I have transferred this into a plate and I will start kneading this. This is still warm. You need the water. I am adding that. Make a smooth dough out of this. I have prepared the dough and I will cover and keep this, otherwise it will get dried up. Now I will put one dough in this and close the idiyappam maker. I have kept the steamer ready for preparing the idiyappam. The idiyappam is ready. This will take only 2 minutes. We'll take out this from the steamer. Just wait for a minute, then you can put it in the plate. Now, while preparing the idiyappam, keep the flame low. I'll show you how to make it. In case if you don't have the idli stand like this, you can use this, grease it and put a banana leaf on this and make it, or directly also you can make it in this. Now we'll make the idiyappam. The gas is on low heat, otherwise it will be difficult to prepare the idiyappam because the steam will hurt you. It's very easy to make. Now cover it and cook it, steam it in high heat for 2 minutes. The idiyappam is ready to serve. I'm serving it with Morukoottan today. For preparing Morukoottan, it's very easy. You have to cook any vegetables like ashgard, red pumpkin, or drumstick, arbi, etc. Cook it with salt and turmeric powder. Grind coconut, green chili and cumin seeds. Add to the vegetable after cooking. Mix well. Then you can add curd in it. Whisk the curd and add to the curry. Then switch off the gas. Do not boil it. And prepare the tadka with little oil, mustard seeds, red chili, curry leaves, little bit of hing powder I used to put, and methi seeds. So our Morukoottan is ready, and you can fry appalam or papad or any kurudai or something like that. If you have, you can use that also. Our second batch of idiyappam is also ready. I have reduced the flame, taking out the idiyappam from the kadai. Keep it for a minute. Now only one batch is left. Invert it. Repeat the process for the remaining one also. The Kerala style idiyappam is ready here to serve. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon and all so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.